of a 12-inch char broiler. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, of a length of 12 inches. A depth of 24 3/4 inches. And a height with legs, we have 15.5 inches tall. Coming to the top, left and right are removable griddle plates, with each plate measuring 5 3/4 inches by 18 1/4 inches in depth. Measurements apply for the left and right griddle plate. Coming to the front of the broiler is an area for access and runoff, which will be dispensed onto this waste pan, with the waste pan measuring 8 inches in length and 20 inches in depth. The waste pan can be removed and inserted back onto the bottom track. Left turn dial for temperature adjustment. And coming to the right corner is the NSF certification, along with BTU information for this broiler. And coming to the back is the black pipe for gas connection. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotusa.com, for more information on this product.